A mascot can make your brand more memorable, but imagine if that mascot could actually speak directly to your audience. Instead of keeping your mascot as a static image, you can turn it into an animated character that introduces your brand, explains products, creates social media content, or delivers promotional messages. In this video, I'll show you how to create a talking mascot video using Zoice. We'll create our mascot avatar, add our own voice recording, configure the video settings, add natural movements, and generate the final talking mascot video. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zoice.com. Once the homepage opens, click Sign In or Try Zoice. Both options will take you to the Sign In page, where you can access your existing account or create a new one if you're using Zoice for the first time. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password, then click Login. You can also sign in using your Google account if you want quicker access. Since I already have an account, I'll simply continue with Google. If you're new to Zoice, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and create a password, then click Register. You can also choose Sign Up with Google. Once your account is created, you'll be able to access the dashboard and start creating your AI videos. Since I've already registered, I'll go back and sign into my existing account. After signing in, you'll arrive on the dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Avatar Characters. This section is where all of your custom avatars are stored. You can create new characters, access existing avatars, and reuse them for different videos. For this tutorial, we're going to create a new mascot avatar. Now click Create New. This will take you to the avatar creation page where you can create the character you want to use for your talking mascot video. Here, it gives you two options. If you already have a mascot image, you can simply upload it from your device. If you don't have one yet, select AI prompt, describe the mascot you'd like to create, and it can generate the character for you. For this video, I already have my mascot image prepared, so I'm going to use the upload image option. Now enter a name for your mascot and upload the image. For better animation results, try to use a clear, high-quality image where your mascot is facing forward and its face and mouth are clearly visible. This gives the AI a better view of the character's facial features when creating the talking animation. Once everything is ready, click Generate Avatar. Wait a few moments while it processes the image and creates your mascot avatar. Once your avatar has been generated, it will appear on the Avatar Characters page. Find the mascot you just created and click on it. This opens the avatar and gives you access to the video generation options. Now click Generate Video. This will open the video generation workspace where we will add the content our mascot will speak and configure the settings for the final video. At this point, you can make your mascot speak in two different ways. You can write or paste a script and use an AI-generated voice, or you can upload an audio file that you want your mascot to speak. For this tutorial, I've already prepared my mascot's voice, so I'm going to select Generate from Audio and use my own audio file. Now upload the audio recording you want your mascot to speak. This could be your own recorded voice, a professionally recorded voiceover, or any other prepared audio that fits your mascot. Once the audio has been uploaded successfully, it will use it to synchronize the mascot's facial movements and lip sync with the spoken words. Now we're ready to configure our video. Next, click Output. First, select the aspect ratio based on the platform where you plan to publish your video. Since I'm creating this mascot video for short-form social media content, I'll choose 9:16, which works well for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. If you're creating a standard YouTube video, you can select 16:9 instead. After choosing the aspect ratio, select your preferred resolution such as 480p, 720p, or 1080p. Higher resolutions provide better video quality, but they may also require additional credits. Next, click Action Prompt. This option lets you control how your mascot behaves while speaking. You can write your own instructions or choose one of the suggested action prompts. For a mascot video, simple and natural movements usually work best. You might want your character to maintain eye contact, use subtle gestures, and show friendly facial expressions while speaking. I'll select one of the suggested prompts and click Add Action. Before moving forward, let's quickly review everything. Make sure you've uploaded the correct audio, selected the right aspect ratio and resolution, and added the action prompt you want. Checking everything now is important because it can help you avoid unnecessary video regenerations. Once all of your settings look correct, click Generate. After clicking Generate, it will first prepare an audio preview before creating the final video. Click the play button and listen to the audio from beginning to end. Make sure you've selected the correct audio and that everything sounds the way you expected. If you're satisfied with the preview, click Generate Avatar Video to continue. It will now begin processing your talking mascot video. You'll be able to see the estimated processing time directly on the screen. The generation may take a few moments, so keep the tab open and wait for the process to finish. Once it's complete, your talking mascot will be ready to preview. Now let's watch our generated mascot video. Play the video and check the lip sync, facial expressions, movements, and overall video quality. Pay special attention to how well the mascot's mouth movements match your uploaded voice. If everything looks good, click Download to save the final video to your device. And there we have it. Our talking mascot is ready. We started with a single mascot image, turned it into an avatar, uploaded our own voice, configured the output settings, added an action prompt, and generated the final animated video. Now let's take a look at the final result and see our mascot in action.
Hey everyone, I'm your friendly Zoice mascot, and I'm here to make content creation more fun. With Zoice, you can bring characters to life and create engaging AI videos in just a few simple steps. Ready to turn your ideas into something amazing? Let's get started!
And that's the complete process of creating a talking mascot video using Zoice. Once your mascot avatar is created, you can reuse the character and create different videos with new audio whenever you want. This can be useful for brand announcements, product promotions, social media videos, explainers, and other types of content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us what type of AI video you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.